Want a single exercise that builds insane strength, boosts your endurance, and transforms your physique? It's time to meet the farmer's carry. Farmer carries might just be one of the most underrated exercises out there. Simple yet brutally effective, this move has the power to change your body from head to toe. And the best part? You don't need a fancy gym or complicated equipment. Just pick something heavy, carry it, and watch the magic happen. In this video, we're breaking down how farmer carries work, why they're so transformative, and how to incorporate them into your routine for maximum results. Whether you're aiming for a stronger grip, shredded abs, or full body strength, this one exercise has you covered. So, if you've been skipping the farmer's carry, stick around. You'll want to add it to your workouts immediately. What exactly are farmer carries? Picture this. You grab a heavy weight in each hand, dumbbells, kettlebells, or even heavy grocery bags, and walk a certain distance or for a set amount of time. Sounds simple, right? But don't let the simplicity fool you. Farmer carries challenge your body in ways you might not expect. This movement mimics the actions of farmers carrying heavy loads across fields. It's a functional exercise that targets multiple muscle groups at once. From your grip strength and forearms to your shoulders, core, back, and even legs, farmer carries work everything. Think of it as a full-body workout disguised as a walk. And trust me, the results are incredible. Okay, so why are farmer carries so effective? First and foremost, they build grip strength. Your hands and forearms are constantly engaged to hold onto the weights, and over time, this leads to a stronger grip. Whether you're lifting weights, opening jars, or carrying your groceries in one trip, a strong grip makes life easier. But the benefits don't stop there. Farmer carries also strengthen your core like nothing else. Unlike crunches or sit-ups, which isolate your abs, farmer carries engage your entire midsection. Your core has to stabilize your spine and prevent your body from tipping over as you carry the weight. This leads to a rock-solid midsection and better posture. And let's not forget your shoulders and back. Carrying heavy loads challenges your traps, deltoids, and upper back muscles, helping you build that broad, powerful look. It's like a deadlift and a plank combined, but way more practical. Farmer carries improve endurance and cardiovascular health. Walking with heavy weights increases your heart rate, making it an effective form of conditioning. It's functional, it's efficient, and it's a killer way to torch calories while building muscle. This is why farmer carries are a staple in strength training, functional fitness, and even rehab programs. To perform farmer carries with proper form, start by selecting your weights. Dumbbells, kettlebells, or even heavy household items like water jugs work great. Choose a weight that challenges you, but allows you to maintain good posture. Stand tall with the weights at your sides. Your shoulders should be back, chest up, and core engaged. This is key. Don't let your shoulders hunch forward or your back round. From here, start walking. Take controlled, steady steps and keep your gaze straight ahead. Think of walking like you're balancing a glass of water on your head, smooth and deliberate. How far should you go? That depends on your fitness level. Beginners might start with 20, 30 feet, while more advanced lifters can aim for 100 feet or more. Alternatively, you can set a timer and carry for 20, 30 seconds per set. And here's a pro tip. If you want to add variety, try a one-arm carry. This challenges your core even more as it works to prevent your body from leaning to one side. It's a great way to step up your farmer carry game. Wondering how to fit farmer carries into your routine? The beauty of this exercise is its versatility. You can add it to the end of your workout as a finisher to burn out your grip and core, or use it as part of your main strength training routine to build functional power. For beginners, start with 3, 4 sets of farmer carries, walking 20, 30 feet or carrying for 20, 30 seconds per set. Focus on maintaining good form and gradually increasing the weight over time. Intermediate and advanced lifters can experiment with longer distances, heavier loads, or variations like suitcase carries or overhead carries. Another great option: use farmer carries as part of a circuit workout. Pair them with bodyweight moves like push-ups and squats for a full body conditioning session. No matter how you incorporate them, Farmer Carries will elevate your training and deliver serious results. Beyond the gym, Farmer Carries have real-life applications. Think about it. How often do you carry heavy items like groceries, luggage, or furniture? By practicing Farmer Carries, you're training your body for these everyday tasks, making them easier and reducing your risk of injury. Plus, Farmer Carries improve posture and balance, helping you move better in daily life. Whether you're an athlete, a parent carrying kids, or just someone who wants to feel stronger and more capable, this exercise delivers functional benefits that go far beyond aesthetics. So there you have it, the Farmer's Carry, one of the most effective and practical exercises you can do. It strengthens your grip, builds a powerful core, works your upper and lower body, and improves your endurance, all in one simple movement. The best part? It's accessible to everyone, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete. Add Farmer Carries to your routine and watch your strength, posture, and overall fitness transform. Remember, fitness doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes the simplest moves are the most effective. So, grab something heavy, start walking, and take your first step toward a stronger, healthier you. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on functional fitness.